Jess, what up?
Can you and your friend go to the Loi Krathong event tonight?
We cannot come to the Loi Krathong event tonight.
Really? Never mind.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Hi Ross,
Hi, P, what up?
can you and your friend go to the Loi Krathong event tonight?
We can come to the Loi Krathong event tonight.
Okay, see you soon.
See you soon.
I guess you said that they could not come to the Loi Krathong event last night. Really? But Lord said that they could come to the Loi Krathong event last night. Really? I am failed. Is your head? Go with me.